Carlos Caloy Loyzaga y Matute, August 29, 1930. January 27, 2016, was a Filipino basketball player, coach, and politician. He was the most dominant basketball player of his era in the Philippines and is considered as the greatest Filipino basketball player of all time. As a member of the Philippine national team, Loyzaga was a two-time Olympian 1952, 1956, and led the Philippines to bronze at the 1950 FIBA World Championship, where he was named to the all-tournament's second team. On June 2, 2023, he became the first Filipino player to be inducted into the FIBA Hall of Fame, which was done in the lead up to the 2023 FIBA Basketball World Cup, which the Philippines co-hosts. Loyzaga was born on August 29, 1930. He was the fourth child of Joaquin de Loyzaga Martinez and Maria del Carmen Matute y Seguera. His father was a football player and a member of the Philippine national team, which competed and won medals at the Far Eastern Championship Games. Loyzaga survived the Second World War together with his mother, sister, and two brothers. He studied at the Padre Burgos Elementary School in Santa Mesa, Manila, and National University for High School until 1948. Basketball career. Loyzaga learned to play basketball in the neighborhood Turvalac Teresa Valenzuela Athletic Club basketball courts in Teresa Street, Santa Mesa, Manila. It was in the very same Turvalac court where he was discovered by Gabby Fajardo, one of the Philippines' leading coaches of the time. Fajardo saw promise in Loyzaga and offered to train Loyzaga for his junior Pratra Philippine Relief and Trade Rehabilitation Administration team. In 1949, Loyzaga quit high school to play for Pratra, winning the MICAA Junior Crown that year. Loyzaga was a two-time Olympian minus 1,952 ninth place and 1956 seventh place. As a member of the Philippines men's national basketball team, he helped the Philippines become one of the best in the world at the time, winning for consecutive Asian Games gold medals. 1951, 1954, 1958, 1962, and to consecutive FIBA Asia Championships 1960, 1963. His finest moment was at the 1950 FIBA World Championship, where he led the Philippines to a bronze finish. It was the best finish by an Asian country, and the Philippines have remained the only Asian medalist in the tournament. He finished as one of the tournament's leading scorers with a 16.4 points per game average and was named in the all-tournament's second team. coaching career, Loyzaga started as player coach for YCO during the early 1960s. After retiring as a player in 1964, he became the head coach of YCO and the Manila Bank Golden Bankers in the MICAA and the UST Glowing Goldies in the UAAP. He coached the Philippine men's basketball team that won the 1967 ABC Championship, now known as the FIBA Asia Cup, and formerly FIBA Asia Championship in the Philippine Basketball Association. He coached UOTEC's 1,975, 1,976, and Tanduay 1977, 1979. Personal life, he was born to Filipino football legend Joaquin Loyzaga and Carmen Matute. Loyzaga was married to Vicky Cuerva on the 21st of May 1957. The couple's children include basketball players Chito and Joey, princess and actresses Bing and Teresa. He was the grandfather of Diego Loyzaga. Loyzaga died on January 27, 2016 at the Cardinal Santos Medical Center in San Juan, Metro Manila. He suffered a stroke in Australia in 2011 prior to returning to the Philippines in 2013. As a posthumous commemoration, the San Beda College officially retired the number 14 jersey used by Loyzaga during the opening ceremonies of the NCAA Season 92 basketball tournament on June 25, 2016. At the Mall of Asia Arena, members of the Loyzaga family attended the jersey retirement ceremony. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.